Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to braise some chicken in wine. This was the very first cooking video I ever filmed. To make this dish, all you need are some chicken thighs, preferably with skin and bone still on, plus beef consomme or beef stock, wine, olive oil, plus good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by adding olive oil to a heated pot or Dutch oven, and then place in the chicken skin side down. Be sure not to overcrowd the pot or pan by placing in too many pieces, or else they won't cook properly through. After the chicken has crisped and browned, which could take about 6 to 10 minutes depending on the heat and the pot you're using, flip each piece to cook the opposite side of the chicken. This is the kind of browning we're looking for on the skin. After both sides have browned, remove each piece to a plate. Don't worry if they don't look fully cooked, as we're going to finish cooking them in the braising liquid. Check out this crispy skin. Once all the chicken is browned sufficiently and been removed to a plate, add the red wine, the beef consomme, and then the bouquet garni, which is a packet of herbs that you can remove after cooking, and the herbs have released their aromatics. I have another video showing how to make the bouquet that I will link at the end of this video. You take kitchen twine and tie all your herbs together in a bundle. Here I'm using rosemary, thyme, and a bay leaf. Next, add the chicken back to the pot, skin side up so you can keep that crispy skin intact while it's cooking. Cover and cook for another 45 minutes to let the chicken braise in the wine. I hope you feel empowered to switch things up, add or tweak the spices to your liking and what you have in your pantry, and explore other flavors. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. After the time is up and the chicken is cooked through, you could double check with the thermometer, but I can pretty much tell this is done. It's almost fall off the bone tender. Plate it, tuck in, and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!